organization decides to implement a new enterprise software platform, the decision is typically accompanied with several common challenges. Throughout a successful project lifecycle, organizations will have to define standard operating procedures, efficiently train new users, and generate detailed business process documentation. With the Task Recorder functionality, Microsoft has engineered the perfect tool to overcome many of these common challenges. With the release of Dynamics 365 for Operations, also known as D365, the Task Recorder has been rebuilt, focused on responsiveness and productivity. The Task Recorder is a tool that will record and track all clicks, keystrokes, and processes that a user performs. Throughout this presentation, I will cover how to record a task and leverage that recording to create task guide tutorials and detailed business process documentation. Once I've logged into my D365 environment, I can begin the task recording process. To begin the process, click on the settings icon in the top right hand corner and click the Task Recorder button. Click Create Recording and enter a name, description, and select whether you want to capture screenshots. When I click Start, the recording becomes active. The system will track and record the different places I click and navigate to. For this recording, I will create a new customer record with the fields the system requires as well as the fields my organization deems important. As I navigate to my customer list, the Task Recorder lists the procedural steps in the pane on the right-hand side. Click the New button to create a new record. A new window opens. Enter an account number, a name, enter a customer group. When I enter the address information and click Save, the new customer record is open. The data is organized in collapsible tabs called fast tabs. This layout allows for me to get the most out of my screen real estate and see as much information as possible. There are a ton of data fields available, so it's important to remove or hide unnecessary fields through security, personalization, or some other method. I'll go ahead and enter some credit and collections information before finalizing my customer record. The Task Recorder has been improved in D365 and now allows users to delete unnecessary steps on the fly as seen here. Now that my recording is complete, I'll go ahead and click the Stop button to wrap up the recording. Now that my recording is complete, I have several options of what I can do with this procedure. I can save it locally to my PC. I can save the recording to my organization's business process library located in Lifecycle Services, the project management portal that comes with D365. From there, the recording can be played as an interactive tutorial guide for any user. I can also generate work instructions with appropriate screenshots. Or the last option is to save as I develop a recording. Now that my recording is saved, I can introduce the topic of task guides. Task guides are interactive tutorials that guide a user through steps in the recorded process. These tutorials can be used within an organization to supplement training activities as well as assist users in learning new processes. I'll go ahead and play the new customer recording as a guide now. When I open the task guide, I am presented with the procedural steps of my task. When I start the task guide, I'll be guided through those steps by the recording I just completed. As you can see, the system is guiding me to go to All Customers. After I complete that step, I will be guided to the next step, which is New Customer. As you can see, the system will continue to guide me through the steps that I've recorded previously. The task guide will ensure that I follow the previously recorded steps through field control and on-screen instruction. In addition, the system tracks my progress in the pane on the right-hand side. With task guides, Microsoft has built an extremely powerful tool which enables users to create an automated training program. Now that I've shown the power of task guides, I'll make a few edits and generate some final business process documentation. Now that I'm in edit mode, the system will allow me to insert, delete, move steps, or even restore previously deleted steps. For this example, I will delete an unnecessary step to make the process more efficient. Once done editing, I click Done Editing, and the system has recorded the new updates. Now that I've finalized my edits, I'm going to generate some business process documentation that will accompany this task recording. I can generate a Word document with the steps and associated screen captures as seen here. As you can see, the system has generated a Word document with title, steps, and screenshots that go along with the procedures. Many organizations will typically use these as training guides and manuals. In this video, I walk through recording a process in D365, leveraged the Task Guides tool for interactive tutorials, and even generated final business process documentation. Though these features are impressive, I'm just scratching the surface of what the Task Recorder can do. As mentioned previously, there are also deep integrations into the business process libraries of the Lifecycle Services portal as seen here. I'll save that topic for another video another day.